Well, brothers and sisters, as you know, English is very important in all over the world. Almost sectors and all activities need English as a tool of communication. Nowadays, people from all countries can reach each country easily as the consequences of globalization era. We Indonesian could make office in other country, we also could build a hospital, university and other business, as well as all country could do the same thing in country. People in Mecca when pilgrimage also needs English because Muslims are from different countries and use different language. Based on the statement above, we perform a meeting like this in order that we have a facility or a place where we can practice our English. Therefore, I hope all participants can join this meeting actively and seriously, and I do hope that all of us may gain large advantages in joining this lovely meeting. Finally, I would like to ask your apologize when you find some mistake in my opening speech. Back to the MC, time is yours.